Hello ladies and gentlemen, today I will be showing you how I lost $325 trading ES. Now, I'll be going through exactly how I took the trade, why I took the trade, when I took the trade. But if you want to see me trade live, I am live on Kick every day, Monday through Friday at 8 a.m. Central Time. Link is in the bio. If you want to check it out, please do, and you can see me trade live. Anyway, let's get right into it. Sweet. So, my bias today was going to be bullish. And then the reason why that is because we had this huge consolidation period for the past literal days after we swept out this huge 4 hour fair value gap. We had a consolidation, then we kind of went up, and we had even more consolidation. Now, I was bullish on top of that as well, is because there was no news today at all. There was no news that would have influenced the market anytime. Second thing. Third thing is there was so many areas of liquidity that needed to be swept, especially on the high time frames. And as you can see, I've listed them all out. All these lines are areas of liquidity that could have been swept. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 areas of liquidity on the 1 hour time frame. Now, what happened is, if we go down to the 5-minute time frame, is this is pre-market. London high got made right here, and we had slow consolidation back down, but not sweeping Asian lows. Market opened on this candle right here, and 5 minutes later we swept out London highs, and I was like, okay, great. Swept out London highs. Let's scale down to the 1 minute. Let's find a good entry point. Now, if you guys do not know, I do not trade pre-macro. Macro is 8:45 to 8:50. I do not trade it. I do not trade prior to that because I got burnt too many times trading before that due to volatility and other reasons such as news. After we swept out this high, which is this black line right here, I waited first for a retracement back into this fair value, these two candles or the previous high, and then I waited for another confluence on the direction that my bias was in, which was bullish. So what happened was I waited for the retracement, and then after that I waited for a candle to take this high, to break the high, to start the bullish order flow, which happened right here. So then I waited for the retracement, and I entered off of this candle right here. Now, as you can see, that did not happen. my strategy did not happen. Had a lot of chop city pretty much for a while. Took out this other high, this other 1 hour high, and as soon as we did that, we shit the bed pretty much, to put it nicely. And then we broke it again, and then shit the bed, which stopped me out. So what can we learn from this? What happened? What went wrong? All right, well, first thing is I could have entered earlier, but it also would have broken my rule. I could have entered off of this retracement back into this fair value gap and entered here. If I get rid of this, could have entered here and gone all the way up here and put my stop loss right here, which is a 2.26. This would have been a lot safer, but it didn't matter anyway because, well, this happened. So get that out of mind. Second thing that I feel like I could have done better is nothing. Honestly, I do not think I could have done anything better that would have made this trade any better. Like, I really do not think so. If we go to the 1 hour, I'm really like, even on the 1 hour, we broke this high and we closed above it, which is a bullish confirmation. On top of that, there's, again, like I said, one, two, three, four, five, six areas of liquidity that need to be picked up and that are so close. I mean, these are after this close, this is 12, 24, 30, 40 points. 40 points is not a lot of points, guys. Not a lot. So I feel like my bias was correct. And I feel like for the rest of the day, it will slowly start to go up and take out these highs. What can we learn? Well, I de-risked this trade. I lost $325, which is okay. And I feel like my take profits were also very good. I would have taken out, I had 5 micros on this trade. I would have taken out 3 here, 1 here, and then let the last one run to 2.33. So all in all, it would have been probably a 2.0, 1.9 risk to reward ratio. So I don't really know what I could have done better. Just really unfortunate day for me today. As soon as we broke this high, we just had an immediate reversal and swept out these lows. Swept out this low right here. Now, I will say this, and I'm not blaming it on this, but Trump did come out and say that he is going to freeze Harvard's funds and Ukrainian news. Now, I don't think that's the reason why this happened. I think it was just a basic liquidity sweep, but you know, things could happen. But what I do want to mention and point out to you guys is that in 10 minutes, the most random 10 minutes ever, the market dumped 50 points. And as you can see, look how large these wicks are. I've never seen this in my life. If you were on stream today, you would have literally seen that in like a minute's time, the market dumped like 40 points. It was insane. I was just staring at my monitor. I was like, what in the world? That's so random. I've never seen this in my life. So that's pretty much going to be a wrap. I mean, tough loss, tough break, but you know, I de-risked a bit, and I feel like I could have, like, my mindset into this trade was as perfect as it could have been. Just a tough loss. We move. So again, if you guys want to see me trade live, I'm live on Kick Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. Central Time. Pop in if you want. I'd love to talk to you guys, seriously. If you enjoy the content, sub, like, comment what your thoughts are on. But yeah, it's going to be a wrap. I love and appreciate you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.